The Campus Research Day competition includes oral presentation and poster presentation portions. The competition awards scholarship money to all winners. The oral presentation competition provides scholarship money awarded to winners in 3 categories: the humanities, sciences, and social sciences. The 3 oral presentation competition sessions will take place at 8 a.m., with each winner contacted as soon as possible afterwards by the event coordinator, Bethany Howard, via text. The winners will also be announced on social media by 11 a.m. Winners will then present their research at the Dean's Luncheon Showcase at noon. There are a few other important details for oral presentation competitors to remember. All competitors in the oral presentation categories must get professor confirmation to be included in the program. Confirmation must be received prior to the March 20 final deadline. Furthermore, each presenter in the 3 categories of oral presentations must upload at least a working draft of the full text of their research prior to the March 20 deadline. Judges will review these drafts for each competitor prior to Campus Research Day so that they are already familiar with your research. The poster presentation competition will occur during the 2 to 3:15 p.m. poster session at the Fellowship Hall of Collegedale Seventh-day Adventist Church. One winner will be selected by the 3 judges of the poster session competition. Competitors must be present at their poster to interact with judges and guests during the entirety of the session. All winners will receive prize money after the event is over. Each of the 3 oral presentation category winners will receive $675, and the poster session winner will receive $100. The Campus Research Day Chair, Bethany Howard, will be in contact with the winners after the competition to make sure that the prize money is distributed properly. If you are interested in or required to participate in either competition, be sure to sign up early by filling out the form using the provided link. Be sure to fill out the form entirely. If you do not receive a confirmation email, double-check that your form was completed and submitted properly. If you are already presenting at another session, you must still submit an additional entry form via the provided link to be added to the list of competitors. All competitors in the oral presentation categories must get professor confirmation to be included in the program. The Campus Research Day Chair will contact all these professors for confirmation. As a reminder, Campus Research Day 2023 initial submissions are due by February 16. We realize these titles and other related information in the form may still be in progress and need updating. We also realize some may not be aware that they did not sign up properly for the first deadline. All such similar changes must be finalized prior to the March 20 deadline. The March 20 deadline is a fixed deadline, and no new submissions will be accepted after the deadline to avoid logistical issues. Be sure to double-check that you are signed up before March 20. For further details regarding how to present at an oral or poster presentation session, be sure to check out the other videos in this Campus Research Day playlist. If you have any questions regarding Campus Research Day, please contact Bethany Howard, and be sure to check out our other informational videos about Campus Research Day. See you next time!